It's pretty much common knowledge at this point that Bitcoin is the best performing asset class of all time. But as a new Bitcoin investor, you've probably got two questions on your mind. Is it too late for me to buy Bitcoin? And how do I make money with Bitcoin? To answer the first question, no, it's absolutely not too late to buy Bitcoin. In fact, if you're watching this video in 2025 or 2026, you are incredibly early. But don't take our word for it. Here's a clip of Michael Saylor, billionaire investor and entrepreneur, sharing his price prediction for Bitcoin 20 years from now.
I think we're going to be $21 million in 21 years. It's a very special time in the network.
But you're not here for pie in the sky price predictions. You want to know how to actually make money with Bitcoin using Luno. And we're going to show you the method behind 3 separate strategies that work in South Africa. Be sure to stick around for the third money-making strategy, which is our personal favorite.
Now, if you're serious about investing in Bitcoin, we strongly recommend that you learn how to properly secure your Bitcoin. And that's why we've partnered with CryptoVault, South Africa's leading hardware wallet supplier. Before you buy a meaningful amount of Bitcoin, get yourself a Trezor Hardware Wallet and learn how to use it. We've created a short course that explains everything, from how to set up the device, how to create fail-safe backups, and even how to pass your Bitcoin on to your loved ones if something unexpected were to happen. Check out the link below to learn more, and remember to visit cryptovault.co.za.
The first strategy for making money is short-term trading. What this means is that you take a lump sum of capital, transfer it to Luno, and you buy and sell Bitcoin repeatedly based on what you think the market is going to do. So how do you make money? By selling Bitcoin for a higher price than you paid for it and withdrawing the profits to your bank account. For example, say you buy 1,000 Rand worth of Bitcoin at a price of 1 million Rand. If the price goes up to 1.1 million Rand, your 1,000 Rand capital is now worth 1,100 Rand. Selling it yields a profit of 10% or 100 Rand. Now, more sophisticated traders use special tools and insights to try accurately predict what the market's going to do, which can increase the likelihood of success a little. But here's the thing. Traders aren't generally very interested in understanding the fundamental nature of an asset or learning why it's a good long-term investment. Trading is, in most cases, short-term in nature, and more often than not, trading becomes nothing more than pure speculation or gambling. This obviously comes with several risks. Trading is often where a lot of new investors start their journey, and all too often they learn that trying to time the market is more difficult than they first thought. The sad reality is that most traders lose money because it's nearly impossible to accurately predict what the price will do in the short term. And to add insult to injury, most new traders aren't aware that each and every trade they make has very real tax consequences. Every sale has a tax implication, and new traders, if they understood these risks from the start, may not have begun trading in the first place.
The second money-making strategy is to earn Luno rewards for referring friends to Luno. This is such a rewarding strategy and it's available to everyone. It's by far the easiest way to earn up to a guaranteed 200 bucks. Here's how. If you haven't yet signed up to Luno, use our referral code to create an account and deposit 500 Rand. Put our referral code into the promo code section on your app and buy 500 Rand worth of Bitcoin. Within a matter of 30 days, you'll get a no strings attached deposit into your Luno account, which you can withdraw in cash if you want to. Now, if you've already signed up to Luno, you've got 2 more options to earn some cash. Either sign up your family members using our referral code and split the cash. That's 100 bucks in your pocket and 100 in theirs for each family member. Or use your own promo code to refer your friends and get 50 Rand for each successful referral. Easy money.
Now, before we reveal our third and best strategy for making money with Luno, a quick word of caution. We strongly suggest that you avoid bundle investing, crypto staking, or multi-coin purchases. These options may sound attractive, but all they do in reality is dilute the value of your potential Bitcoin returns and force you to take on unnecessary financial risks. And if that wasn't bad enough, they also open you up to potential tax issues and make it impossible to take true ownership of your money through self-custody. So stick to Bitcoin only.
The third and by far best strategy for consistently making money with Bitcoin is what we like to call the Bitcoin Pension Fund. When you buy an investment property, sign up for a new RA policy, or get enrolled in your company pension plan, you know that you're committing to a long-term plan. That plan involves a fixed monthly investment with no withdrawals for the long haul. Why? Because this is how sizable wealth is created. Compound growth only works if you let it work for you. The Bitcoin Pension Fund is no different. Your goal is to accumulate Bitcoin on a long-term basis with a fixed weekly or monthly purchase. We want to buy Bitcoin with the same discipline as paying our monthly bond installment on our investment property, or with the same dedication as our monthly pension deduction on our payslip. The Bitcoin pension fund is a 10-year plan at minimum. We buy each and every month, regardless of the price, and most important of all, we absolutely do not sell. Many people have made the mistake of selling out of fear when there's a market downturn. This is the worst thing you can do, and it's something financial advisors issue stern warnings about. We all know that Bitcoin is volatile, but regardless of the price, we do not deviate from our plan. Market downturns are an opportunity to get more Bitcoin at cheap prices. So no matter the price, we continue to buy our Bitcoin each month and let compound growth do its thing. And here's a quick fun fact for you. No investor has ever lost money in Bitcoin by holding it for more than 5 years, even if they bought it at the worst possible time.
Now check this out. Here's the 5-year compound annual growth rate of Bitcoin, gold, and the S&P 500 index. As you can see, Bitcoin's return far exceeds that of gold and the S&P 500 over the past 5 years, 10 years, and beyond. To be conservative, let's assume the returns halve going forward. Here is how 10,000 Rand invested today could perform if invested in these 3 asset classes. It's mind-blowing how much better Bitcoin performs. So, how do you make money? Well, just like with a house, gold coins, or shares, you make money when the price of the asset goes up. When the price of Bitcoin goes up, your overall wealth increases because any Bitcoin you own is now worth more. Remember that when we're talking about long-term investments like houses, pension funds, or Bitcoin, your concern is not about making quick cash in your bank account. Your goal is to grow and protect your wealth with a quality long-term investment that is going to provide for your future. The longer you can remain disciplined and allow the investment to mature, the more the power of compound growth works for you. After all, you want your assets making money for you while you sleep. And this is how you build significant wealth. It's how millionaires and billionaires build wealth. It's called long-term capital accumulation. All you have to do is steadily buy and accumulate small amounts of Bitcoin each and every month. If you can remain disciplined and allow the fastest growing asset in the world the time to work for you, your future self will thank you.
Make sure to check out our YouTube or Patreon memberships. For as little as 30 Rand per month, you get access to investment spreadsheets, powerful business and finance guides, estate planning templates, property and Bitcoin investing courses, as well as email consulting.